What's going on? So you want to become a money expert? Well, listen up, because these financial audiobooks can change your life, okay? This video is not financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. So I want to know, are you tired of not knowing how to save money or make smart decisions about your finances? Okay? It's not by buying expensive things that you're going to do that. Okay? Anyway, you're not alone. Many people feel confused about money, and it can be hard to know where to start. But don't worry, I've got the perfect solution for you. These finance audiobooks I'm going to recommend, okay? Step 1, you're going to start with a classic. Start with Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. It's a game changer. It helps you understand the difference between assets and liabilities, how to think about riches. You're going to be inspired to start taking control of your financial future, okay? Step 2, you're going to check out the Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. This audiobook is perfect if you want to learn how to get rid of debt and build savings. It's going to motivate you to make smart choices and to stick with them. Step 3, so for a fun and easy to understand guide, okay, try You Are a Badass at Making Money. Okay, that's what it's called. This audiobook will help you believe in yourself and the ability to make money. It's all about changing your mindset, okay? You can't wait, okay? Don't procrastinate. Listen to these audiobooks. Start building your wealth today. And if you like this video, comment, leave me a like, for better tips about money. I'll come back. And that's it. We get what we give. God bless you, okay?